Welcome back to my 9th video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a word filter so you can manage your server easier. If, for example, your server is a family-friendly server, you don't want people to be swearing. So yeah, we're just gonna be filtering those words out. So let's jump into it. Open your Visual Studio Code, and here we are. Also, if you're wondering how to, for example, get so you can hide your token, as you see, I don't want you guys to know my token, so I just hid it in this config.json. So I can show you if we just make a new file, call this, for example, token.json. In here, you're just gonna open that up and, for example, token there, and in there you paste your token. So yeah, if you was wondering how you can do that, that's how. And in here you just do the token is equal to require and then the JSON file, and then you just put token down here. Yeah, so let's jump into the word filter, shall we? So the way we do that is we make a new client.on function. We have done this multiple times, so we should remember how to do it. There you go. Then we can start filtering out some. Oh, it's also async. Now we can just start filtering out some stuff. So, for example, if the message.channel.type is equal to DM, because we don't really care if people swear in the DMs of the bot. And then we can also do, for example, if the message.author is a bot, not a boy, but a bot. And you can also put, for example, if people have permissions in here. So, for example, if message.member.has permission administrator, but since I want to show you guys how we can do this, I don't want that, because then the bot is not going to care about me. Then we just return. Now we can also, for example, you can go into our Discord and we can, for example, make a log, because we want to make the bot send a message to the log channel when what's it called? Yeah, when someone says a bad word, we want the bot to send a message here. So just copy the ID, go into here, and we can do const log channel is equal to, and then client, or we can also do we need to do client not message, but channels dot cache dot find, and then channel dot id is equal to, and then the ID. Also, if you don't know if this copy ID doesn't show up, go into your user settings, go into your, where is it? Go into your appearance, scroll down and check developer mode. That needs to be on. Yeah, there we go. Now we can make an array of the words we don't want people to say. So let, for example, words is equal to an array. So an array is basically like this. So, for example, the first word could be like banana, and then the second word could be, for example, orange. Then if you want to add more words, just do like this and then put them in there. Then we can say let found in text, that's gonna start off as false, and then we can go down and var I in words. Open that up. Then we can do if message dot content dot to lowercase, that's a function, dot includes, that's also a function, and then words, then some square brackets, and then the I, the variable we made up there, then dot to lowercase, that's a function, and then if that is so, then we do found in text is equal to true, and then we can say if the found in text is true, we can do message dot delete, or see, we can make something really cool here. Actually, we can do, so the first we're gonna do is we're gonna let log embed, this is the embed that's gonna be sent to the log channel, that's equal to a new discord.message embed. Then we can set the description to, for example, message.author.username, or actually we can do ID. There we go, make it like this, and boom, pow, and then we can do said a bad word. Then we can add a, what's it called, add field, another field. So this is gonna be, for example, the message, so the message they said, and that's gonna be message.content. Then we can set the color, and that's, let's say, random, and we can add a timestamp, pretty cool, and then we can do log channel.send log embed. There we go. Then we can basically just copy all of this, and then we can change this with just normal embed, and then we can say that word is not allowed here. We can remove the add field because we don't want anyone to see the word, because that would be pointless. Then we can do some fancy stuff. So let message is equal to await message.channel.send, and then embed and msg.delete timeout, and then do, for example, 3500 milliseconds, and then in between here we can do message.delete. So that's basically it, I believe. Yes, it is. So we can save the file, run the program, see if we get any errors. No errors so far. If you go into here and say orange, that word is not allowed here. Let's see if it deletes the message. It does. and we get me or suffix said a bad word. The message, we can also add something here, for example, dot add field and then channel, and the channel is gonna be message dot guild dot channels dot cache dot get, then the message dot channel dot id, and then to string. And yes, that's basically it. So if we go back again, and we can say, for example, banana, it deletes. Let's see if it deletes the message here. It does. And we get another cool message, said a bad word, the message banana, channel there. We can also check if, for example, I love or I want a banana, to see if it checks for if, so basically not just the word, but if it's in a message it still deletes. It does. It's gonna delete the embed here. It does. And the message, I want a banana. Cool. So yeah, that's basically it for today. Don't know what I'm gonna be doing next time. We'll see. Have a great day.